Good morning, guys. Today I'm looking at Annie's Econoline. It has been sitting for 2 or 3 years because some guy at the smog station broke the steering column, so she had to change it out, and it took a while because the part wasn't available. So I'll have to figure out why it isn't starting. I'm gonna start by taking the battery out, charge it up, and then see what comes next. Black 2 minus, red 2 plus. Then we want it on charge, not start. So the battery has charged, and I tried starting it through the column, but it doesn't make any noise or turn it, so I'm gonna take the starter out and connect it to the battery while it's out and see if it turns at all. That's the next step. So there's the starter. I'm gonna disconnect the positive and then disconnect it from the bell housing. Starter is out, so let's see if it turns at all. Okay, so nothing is happening. Fixing cars to sweeping the roof. Everywhere. So I'm done sweeping, putting in it bags, and put it in the green cans. So first 2.